Imagine this. It's a weekday morning while most people are battling traffic on their way to work. You're sipping coffee by the beach or at home with family, free to spend your day however you want. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, here's the truth. It doesn't have to be just a dream. Retiring early is achievable, no matter where you're starting from right now. The dream of early retirement. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's near and dear to many of us. How to retire as early as possible. Retirement isn't just an age. It's a financial milestone, a moment when your investments and smart financial choices start working for you. And yes, it is possible to achieve this at a young age, even if it seems like a far-off dream right now. Stick with us to the end because we'll be covering the mindsets, strategies, and small shifts in your financial behavior that can help you go from dreaming to doing. Whether you're just starting your career in your mid-30s or approaching the big 4-0, these tips are designed for anyone in the US who's ready to change their financial future. Let's break it down. Part 1. Setting the right mindset for early retirement, believing it's possible. Early retirement isn't reserved for the wealthy or the lucky. It's achievable with the right habits and vision. Many people retire early by prioritizing financial independence. Imagine your future and how much each small step today gets you closer to that vision. Define your why. Ask yourself why early retirement appeals to you. Are you seeking time freedom, the opportunity to pursue your passions, or simply a break from the traditional 9-to-5? Your why is essential as it motivates you to stay committed through challenges. Picture the flexibility to spend more time with family or travel the world. Those dreams aren't unrealistic if you build your financial plan with them in mind. Part 2. Cutting down on major expenses. Housing costs can be huge. Consider how choices like downsizing or sharing expenses with a roommate could impact your savings goals. Renting may be more practical if your goal is to invest and build savings for retirement, rather than property ownership. Transportation. Instead of buying new, look for reliable used vehicles or explore public transit. Car payments can be a huge drain on your budget. Embrace the sharing economy. Uber, Lyft, and even biking to work can save money and allow you to put more toward your future food and lifestyle choices. Meal planning and cooking at home can be a game changer for your budget. Simple lifestyle adjustments can make a difference. For example, limit your entertainment spending by focusing on free or low-cost activities that bring joy without breaking the bank. Part 3. Increasing your income with a side hustle. Exploring side hustles. Diversifying income with a side hustle is one of the quickest ways to boost savings for early retirement. Think about what you enjoy or any skills you can monetize. From freelance writing to starting a small business, side hustles can expedite your journey. Investing side hustle earnings. Take the income from your side hustle and invest it. Think of this income as fuel to accelerate your progress. This not only increases your income stream, but also makes your money work for you rather than just sitting in a savings account. Part 4. Smart investing for long-term wealth. Compound interest. The power of investing early. Even small amounts invested early can grow substantially thanks to compound interest. The goal is to let your investments work for you over time. Consider low-cost index funds or ETFs that allow you to invest in broad markets with minimal fees. Roth IRA and 401k options contribute to tax-advantaged accounts. With a Roth IRA, you pay taxes now but not on future withdrawals. 401k accounts, especially if your employer matches, are also a great investment vehicle. Remember, it's not just about saving. It's about saving wisely in places where your money can grow. Real estate as an investment. Rental properties or REITs, real estate investment trusts, can be powerful vehicles for generating passive income. Real estate, when managed well, offers monthly income that adds to your retirement fund, giving you an income source without tapping into your savings. Part 5. Living below your means. Mindful spending. Differentiate between needs and wants. It's easy to indulge now, but each unnecessary purchase could push your retirement date further away. Live by the phrase, will this purchase help or hurt my future? Reframe your spending decisions with your retirement in mind. Automate savings. Set up an automatic transfer to a high-yield savings account or investment account. By making saving automatic, you prioritize your goals without constant mental effort. Budgeting with joy. Think of budgeting as a way to empower yourself rather than restrict yourself. A budget tells your money where to go so that it's funding your future dreams rather than unplanned expenses. Part 6. Handling debt before it becomes a barrier. Create a debt repayment plan. Paying off high-interest debt is key to financial freedom. The snowball or avalanche methods can help you tackle debt strategically. The faster you reduce or eliminate debt, the more income you'll have to save and invest using debt wisely. Not all debt is bad, but it's essential to differentiate. Mortgages or student loans, if managed responsibly, can be beneficial, whereas credit card debt is often a barrier to early retirement. Think about it. Every choice you make today is building the life you'll have tomorrow. Early retirement isn't just a financial milestone, it's the freedom to live life on your terms. It's your mornings, afternoons, and weekends spent however you choose. Imagine the possibilities that lie ahead when you've set yourself up to live free from financial worries. We're all capable of building a future that doesn't require us to work forever. Take it one step at a time. Set your goals, stick to your plan, and remember your why. With discipline, determination, and the right strategy, early retirement can be within reach. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay on top of financial advice to help you create the life you deserve. Here's to building a life of freedom and abundance. One step, $1, one decision at a time.